cool.
I want to fly.
Okay, go ahead. Whee! Wow, that is super cool, babe.
You want to swim. Whoa! We're looking at these same toys today. We have water table. I love water table. We need scissors. Now let's get started to open. Okay, here for some. I'm sticking nothing. It's too heavy. I'm gonna do this one now. Ah, never here, man. Get up here. Wait, now.
What you got there?
I got this one.
Wow, that looks awesome. Okay, so we got these accessories for step 2 duck pond water table. What you got there?
I got this one.
Wow, you got duck! Oh, that is so cute. Perfect. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh, I think that's a stand, babe. For okay. What else? Okay, that's a part of our water table. Yeah.
And then it comes spin.
Okay. Some more.
And here's directions.
Oh, instructions. Can you show it? Can you show to us the instructions, babe? Wow, it's perfect.
The 9 set 2 minutes.
Okay. The table.
Table.
Yes. Wow, you're very strong. You got it, babe. Good job. Super cool. That is super humongous. Okay, now let's build our water table. Yay!
Yeah.
Oh. Let's put the stand.
Let's put one and play.
Okay. Here's one.
Need another one.
Okay, here we go.
I get this one first.
Another duck? Another yellow duck? What's that? Oh my gosh! Do you know what that is?
A frog.
A frog. What does the frog say?
Frog is a big
Ribbit, ribbit.
The frog have 2 legs,
The frog has 4 legs.
4 legs, and they have eyes, and then here this one. Squishy, squishy, squishy.
Squishy. Wow.
And here's this one. Slide.
That's the slide. Here we have the slide. Oh wow, this is super fun.
And here's the flower.
Uh-huh. Some more accessories.
We have more.
Let's build a slide, guys.
And
We're gonna use this
this one
as the base. Let's put right here. Perfect. And
What foot, Mommy?
this one. Okay. Okay, there you go. Perfect.
And then the frog slide.
Oh wow.
That's what water. Yay!
Now let's put water.
We need to
Oh my
walk.
gosh. Yep. Wow, that is so much fun.
It's now done.
Okay. Now let's play.
Scoopy.
We have ice cream truck. Yeah. Cool. Now the duck wanna slide. Whee! That's fun, babe. That's super cool.
Oh no! Now this one turn.
Cool. That is fun.
He want to go. Buck he want to swim.
Wow. Okay.
How about so much water? I want to play.
All right.
Now Barbie.
Rapunzel.
The Rapunzel turn.
Wow, Rapunzel.
He's standing because he wants to sit. Wow.
Okay, can Rapunzel have a slide?
Okay.
Perfect. Whee! That's cool.
Now Ariel.
Ariel's turn. Ariel the mermaid.
It's so much fun to stay.
It is, babe. You love it?
I want to fly.
Okay, go ahead. Whee! Wow, that is super cool, babe.
He wants to swim.
Okay, go ahead.
And then the pony coming. Look, the iron trap got the pony guitar.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Can Ariel swim?
So he need one away. Ow! Wait, Ariel, get this. Ha ha. He did the test today. Where's the duck swim? Now pony turn. Wow. Ah! Here's your friend. I'm a fun today.
Babe, do you like it?
Yeah.
You like this?
I want to fly.
Okay, go ahead.
First, you need to turn your head.
Wow, Rapunzel, she's so pretty. Go, Rapunzel. That is funny. Whee!
Ariel, he got her friend.
Okay.
And the guitar.
Cool.
He's swimming, he's swimming. Let me sit on it and my pony pet is here. Can't jump so high.
Wow.
Anyway,
Oh, really?
that's just cake. It's because I watched him later.
I know, babe.
He wants to swim. He wants to feel.
Ooh.
Bubbly.
Babe, are you done?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Bigger. Cats.
Babe, you got a lot of boys in your water table.
He want to go fly.
Okay.
He want to come back in the water.
You got Froggy, you got ducks, and you got Rapunzel.
Now,
And you got mermaid. Yay! Ariel the mermaid.
He's swimming. Oh no, he trapped. He got fire.
That is fun, babe. Oh!
Whoa, that's awesome. Whoa. Stop. Whoa!
Perfect.
Oh no, the punch coming.
Okay.
Punch is coming. And then she's crying.
Why is she crying?
Because he can go back Ariel anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he wants to fly, that's because wow. Thank you for watching that video today. This is Ava. And this is her channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe for more Fun Toys videos right here at the Kids Fun Toys channel. Whee!
Hey, Mom.